Our main objective is to work on reliability, in specific in the cement plants. We have a lot of moving parts, and our main objective is to understand when these kind of assets are going to fail, prioritize when are they going to fail so that we can have the right resources on them. And at the end, we just have a limited amount of resources, so we want to make sure that whenever we put our hands in a machine, that we have to fix something, that is the right priority for that. So that's why we are exploring or we are working with C3 AI to work on getting that right prioritization based on the right risk score that we have for every asset. Really excited to first get our utilization higher. I really want to make sure that the plants operate longer, more constantly. For me, it excites me that when something doesn't fail, safety is going to improve, because you don't have people running around trying to fix something that wasn't scheduled. So you want to have people focus on things that you are programming, that you're planning. That's what excites me. I want to know when something is going to fail, when something needs to be intervened, and that is done the right way so that we don't have to be running and we have everything planned. This is really exciting times. This is just the beginning of where we're heading as an industry. AI is going to be everywhere, and just like everyone says, AI is here to help us, and whoever doesn't have it is not here for the long term.